Help me Rhonda Tech here with a quick tip for Windows users. Have you ever downloaded a file or saved a file and couldn't find it? Well, here's a quick tip to using the search in Windows to find files, apps, even internet files by clicking on the search at the bottom. So I'll just type on just the word help. Okay. And as you can see on the results, I have all results. Everything that has the word help in it comes up. But if I want to kind of narrow it down a bit, I want to look at just documents that have the word help in it. I can then click on the top where it just says documents. So all my documents that have the word help here come up. And also any apps, get help comes up. Look at that. So if I'm looking for a specific app or program on my computer or a document, or say I want to even search the internet, I can even search the internet from here, go to web. And then the web comes up with all these different related searches for that word help. So you could use that just about with anything. So you can just basically navigate from the search.